Bulldozers carrying sand drive down the streets of Derna in eastern Libya. Months after September's deadly and devastating floods, the city shows some signs of recovery. Construction workers are helping rebuild the damaged structures and landmarks. But while buildings are going up and roads are being repaired, residents are still shocked by the severity of the loss. Yamna Al Shehibi's son and his family died in the flood. She says it's the worst disaster she's ever seen, having lived in Derna for 70 years. Huge swaths of the city were destroyed after heavy rainfall from Storm Daniel crashed through two aging dams. Thousands of people died, with thousands more still missing. According to an international report by the World Bank, United Nations, and European Union, flooding destroyed or damaged more than 18,000 homes and affected about 1.5 million people, or 22% of Libya's population. The report put the cost of recovery and reconstruction at over $1.8 billion.
Firstpost reports from the world's second largest continent. Hello, I'm Alison Lagrange. A very warm welcome from Durban, South Africa. We get you the news and the newsmakers from Africa. South Africa goes to the polls on the 29th of May. I will track the election and bring you ground reports. Is it the end of the road for the African National Congress? And will former President Jacob Zuma stage a dramatic comeback? From elections to climate change to innovations and opportunities. As the world's attention shifts, we report from Africa, the heart of the global South. Join me every weekday live on Firstpost.